All right, today's word is watch. In Thai is do. It's a mid-tone, just straight across. Do means watch. There's different ways to use this word do, but no worries, I made a video on that. There's the different ways to say look. Okay, but this one is watch. How do you use that? Okay, first one, ผม means I for male. ฉัน male and female, and everyone can use ฉัน. So today I'm going to use ฉัน or ฉัน you can say that, don't matter. ฉันชอบดูคน do, remember the word do. ชอบดูคน means people watching. You can say whatever you want. I know you like to people watch, right? Everyone likes to people watch, especially in Thailand. You're sitting there having a beer and you're like watching people walking by, back and forth. Like by the time you know it, it'll be like 5 hours, you know? So yeah, people watch. ดูคน okay? ผมชอบดูคน or ฉันชอบดูคน It's kind of weird, strange behavior, but people do it. I do it. I do nothing. I'm just sitting there and getting bored, and I'm like, I'm just gonna people watch. Next one, ฉันชอบดู ... Whatever you want to put in the blank, fill in the blank. ฉัน means I. ชอบ means like. Okay. Do, the word today is do, mean watch, right? I like to watch whatever ... I like to watch, I don't know, TV. ฉันชอบดู TV. A movie. ฉันชอบดูหนัง Okay. ฉันชอบดู play. A live performance. ละคร okay, or การแสดง I don't know, the thing is I'm gonna keep this one easy for you. I'm not gonna throw in a whole bunch of different hard words that you're not gonna use,ฉันชอบดูหมา means dog. I like to watch the dog playing. ฉันชอบดูแมว It's like you're on TikTok or you're on YouTube and you're just watching like dogs and cats all day, It's like ฉันชอบดูแมว Okay. ฉันชอบดู whatever. Okay. Concert. ฉันชอบดู concert. All right. There's tons of ways to use the word do or watch in a sentence. Okay. If you don't like something, just say ฉันไม่ชอบดู something. ฉันไม่ชอบดู ... ฉันไม่ชอบดูรถแข่ง means a race car. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. ฉันไม่ชอบ means I don't like. Do means watch. I don't like to watch ... Come on, man. It's easy. Okay. All right. Just keep this one short. Practice the word do means watch. It's easy, but sometimes you forget. You're like, oh yeah, that's easy to say. You walk over and you trip on something. You stub your toes. You're like, oh, what was the word again? Anyway, yeah, do. Okay. All right. Keep this short. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I'll see you next time. Peace.